Planning your next trip? Here are 10 smart travel hacks that can save you time, money, and headaches. Whether you're flying across the world or just heading out for a weekend getaway. Let's go.
Hack number 1. Book flights in incognito mode. Always search for flights in an incognito browser. Airline websites track your visits with cookies and may raise prices if they know you're interested. Hack number 2. Travel light, pack smarter. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and reduces wrinkles. Use packing cubes to stay organized. They're game changers. Hack number 3. Use Google Maps offline. Download maps for your destination in Google Maps before you leave. That way, you'll never get lost, even without Wi-Fi or a mobile connection. Hack number 4. Bring a power strip. One outlet, multiple devices. A compact power strip is a must-have in airports and hotel rooms. Hack number 5. Email yourself copies of important documents. Take a photo or scan your passport, tickets, and insurance, then email them to yourself. It's simple, but could save your trip. Hack number 6. Use ATMs over exchange counters. Avoid those shady airport currency exchange booths. ATMs usually give better rates with lower fees. Hack number 7. Always carry a reusable water bottle. Bring an empty bottle through airport security and fill it up after. Saves money and reduces plastic waste. Hack number 8. Save locations in Google Maps with labels. Before your trip, label your hotel, top restaurants, and attractions. Makes navigating super easy once you're on the go. Hack number 9. Use flight alerts to track deals. Set up price alerts on Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Hopper. You'll get notified when prices drop. No need to keep checking manually. Hack number 10. Bring a doorstop for extra hotel safety. A simple rubber doorstop can instantly make your hotel room or Airbnb safer. Just slide it under the door from the inside to prevent forced entry, especially useful in places without strong deadbolts. Which of these hacks are you already using, and which one blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart travel content every week.